Good morning, children. In previous class, we have discussed place values and in international system, Indian system. So today's our topic is LCM, least common multiples. So what is LCM? Now we'll write the full form of LCM, least common multiples. So this is a new topic for you. In previous class we didn't go through this topic. So least means what? LCM means least common multiples. Least means what? Smallest. Smallest. Least means what? Smallest. And for example, here I have taken two chalk pieces. Among these, which is the least? This one. So smallest. Least means what? Smallest. Common means what? Same. Common means same. So here I have taken the chalk pieces. What do you observe among these two chalk pieces? Both chalk pieces are same color. Yes, same color. Which color? White color. So both the chalk pieces have same color. Common means same. What are the multiples? So multiples. Okay, multiples you are getting some. So you are thinking about the multiples. Now don't need to worry. Let us learn what are multiples. So what are multiples? Let us learn now. Did you understand this? Least means smallest, common means same. Multiple means, now I will explain what are the multiples. Okay, now see here, multiples. So multiples, I have taken 2, I multiplied 2 with 1. So 2 ones are 2. I have taken 2 again, I multiply with 2, 2 2s are 4, again 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So when I multiply with 1, 2 with 1, 2. When I multiply 2 with 2, 4. When I multiply 2 with 3, 6. I am multiplying 2 consecutively with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until go on. So what are these? The numbers which I multiply with these numbers, these are the multiples of 2. When I multiply 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4, we got these numbers. So these are the multiples of 2. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 till go on. So these are the multiples of 2. Now let us take one example. See here. What is this, children? This is you have seen some numbers on this chart. So this is number chart. So in this number chart, first I will take the multiples of 3. Here 3, what are the multiples of 3? Now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 58, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99. What are these? These are all the multiples of 3. When we multiply 1 with 3, these will get. So these are the multiples of 3. Now we'll take, so I will remove all the multiples of 3 from this chart. I will remove all the multiples of 3 from this chart. So here you can see here I have removed all the multiples of 3. So here I have removed multiples of 3. Here 3 is 3 is the multiple of 3, so I remove 3. Here 4, 5, after 5, 6 should be there. So what is 6 here? 6 is the multiples of 3, so I have removed 3. 7, 8, after 7, 8, 9. So 9 is what? Multiple of 3, so I have removed the multiple. So what did you observe from these? I have removed all the multiples of 3. Okay, we will put this aside. Now I will take one more chart. Now we will see this chart. Now I will show the multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40, 4 11s are 44, 4 12s are 48, 4 13s are 50, like that. Like that till in this all we have to remove the multiples of 4. Now we will remove the multiples of 4. Now see here in this chart I have removed all the multiples of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is not there. Why 4 is not there? So 4 is the multiple of 4. So I have removed the 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is also multiple of 4. So I have removed the 8. Here 12 is also multiple of 4. I have removed. 16 is also multiple of 4. I have removed. 20 is also multiple of 4. I have removed. So in this chart I removed all the multiples of 4. In this chart I have removed all the multiples of 3. So here in these I have removed all the multiples of 4. In these I have removed all the multiples of 3. Now I will place one after the another. Now I will place all these two charts on number chart. So see here. So here I have placed both the charts on number chart. Can you see clearly the numbers which are in brown color? Yes, count along with me the numbers which are in brown color: 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and here 60, 72, 84, 96, and these are the common numbers. What are these numbers? These are the common numbers. So here 12 in this 12 is the common number. We can see only the numbers which are in brown color. See only the numbers which are in number chart. See here. So you can see the only numbers 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. Here 72, 84, 96. So these are the common numbers. So the same numbers, common numbers. Here 12 is there, so you can see only 12. Here 24, you can see only 24. Means why you can see only that numbers? That numbers are same. So here 24, 12 is missing. So you can see only 12. Here it should be after level, what number should be 12? So you can see 12 in brown color. After 23, 24. After 35, 36. After 47, 48. So these are the common numbers among both 3 and 4. These are the numbers. These are the common numbers among 3 and 4. Now see here. Have taken the multiples of 3. So what are the multiples of 3? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. These are the multiples of 3. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. So you have seen only these numbers. See here in your number chart, 12 is the common number. You have seen the 12. See here, why common? In this multiples of 3, 12, here 12 is there. Here also in the multiples of 4, here also 12 is there. So see here, round up both the numbers. Here 12 is there, here also 12. So these are the common. Common means what? Same. So let us see some more numbers. Here 24 is there. So let us search for 24. 36, 12, 18, 21. So 24. Let us see the 24 in another, in 4 also. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So here also 24 is there. Here also 24 is there. So 24, 24. So here let us see some more number 36. If you take some level 3s are 33, level 36. So if I extend multiples of 3, you can get more multiples. Here 36 there. And here also search for 36, here 36. What are these numbers? Why I am rounding these numbers? Because the common numbers in both the numbers in 3 and 4, these are the common multiples. Common multiples. Now see here, which is the least? Just now we have discussed the least means what? Smallest. So can you see which is the least in this number chart? Which is the number which is first is the least. So in this brown color, which number you can see? You can see 12. 12 is the first number. So 12 is the least number. So here also you can see which is the least number. Here 12, 24, 36. These are the common numbers. What are the common numbers? Common numbers are 12, 24, 36. What are the common numbers? 12, 24, 36. Again, what are the common numbers? In 3 and 4, what are the common multiples in 3 and 4? 12, 24 and 36. Which is the least among these three? These are the common numbers. Which is the least among these three? 12. So 12 is the smallest common multiple. Which is the least? Least is 12. Which is the least? Least is the 12. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. The least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. Did you understand, children? So 3, we have to take the multiples of 3, and at the same time we have taken the multiples of 4, and we have selected the common multiples among these two. So we got the common multiples, that is 12, 24, 36. So we need the only least common multiple. The least in these three is 12. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Now we'll take some more examples. Now I will take 4 and 6. So same thing in number chart. I have removed the multiples of 4. In number chart I have removed the multiples of 4. So 4 is not there, 4 is the multiple of 4. Here 8 is not there, 8 is the multiple of 4. 12 is not there, so 12 is the multiple of 4. So I have taken the multiples of 4. Here now I have taken the multiples of 6 also. This is the multiples of 6. So after 5, 6 should be said. So 6 is the multiple of 6. I have removed 6. Here 12 is the multiple of 6. So I have removed 12. Here after 17, which number should be there? 18. So 18 is the 6 3s are 18. So 18 is the multiple of 6. I have removed the 18. 24 after 23, 24. 24 is the multiple of 6, so I have taken 24. So I will place all these. In this chart I have taken all the multiples of 4, and in this chart I have taken all the multiples of 6. Now I will place one after the another. So I will place these two. Can you see the gaps in between? You can see the gaps here, 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 here. What number should be there? So we will place the number chart. We will place these two on the number chart. So I have placed these two on number chart. Can you see the numbers? Can you see the numbers here? The numbers which are in the brown color are the common numbers among 4 and 6. So what are the common numbers? Let us read. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. And again, can you see the brown color numbers here? Here 72, 84, 96. So what are these numbers? These numbers are common numbers in 4 and 6. See here, let us read one more time. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. So these are the common numbers. We will write it on the board. Now take the multiples of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Now so these are the multiples of 4. What are the multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now we will write the multiples of 6. 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. So I have taken the multiples of 4 and I have taken the multiples of 3. Now let us see the common multiples. Here 4 is there, here 6 is there. So these are not common. 8, 12. 12 is there. So you have to round off the common multiples. 12, 12. 16 is not there here. 18 is also not there. 20 is not there. 24. So 24. Round off the 24. And again 28 is not there. 32 is not there. 36. So 36. Round off the 36. So what are these? Common, same. In 4, 12 is the multiple of 4 and at the same time 12 is the multiple of 6. 24 is the multiple of 4 and at the same time 24 is also multiple of 6. 36 is the multiple of 4 and at the same time 36 is also multiple of 6. So what are the common multiples? The common multiples are 12, 24, 36. Here also in the number chart we can see the common multiples. 12, 24, 36. So if we take more till we can get more numbers. So we can see 12, 24, 36. Here also we can see 12, 24. Which is the least among these two? So which one you can see the first in brown color? So 12. So which is the least? Least is 12. So the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Did you understand, children? So the same topic you have in your maths in your 5th class. So do some more examples, take some more numbers of your own, watch the video carefully. You have to take the numbers like this, you have to round off the common numbers, and in that common, which is the least, which is the smallest, that smallest number is the LCM of that number, the respective numbers. LCM means least common multiples. If you have any doubt, you can clarify in your WhatsApp groups. So please children practice this, it will be very useful in your higher classes. So if you practice well, if you don't have any problem in your higher classes, if you practice from now only, it will be very easy for you. Okay, thank you children.